My name is Frank Shean. I'm with Valley Pallet Incorporated. We have locations in California and Arizona. I work out of the Salinas location. I got into the pallet business about 20 years ago. My original career was in the oil distribution business, and I was approached by a customer who happened to be Valley Pallet to ask me to join the company, and after a couple of years of deliberating over it, I ended up joining the company and eventually buying into the company, taking it over about 15 years ago.
My name is Lindseys Sheen, and I am the sales manager and national accounts manager for Valley Pallet Incorporated here in Salinas, California.
My daughter came into the business after her college golf career and then did a little stint in the professional golf arena and decided to join the pallet business. It's been wonderful to have her part of the company.
You know, my dad I like to think of him as a coach, because throughout my golf career and you know, just growing up, he has always been my coach and my mentor.
The happiest day of my life was when she beat me when she was 12 years old.
I started out working in our Phoenix, Arizona plant, doing sales, and that started pretty slow. I was just working part-time and wasn't so interested in getting involved in the family business, but once I got in, I was kind of hooked. And so I spent 4.5 years down in Phoenix and working that market, working Yuma, you know, seeing customers down there, and what a great learning experience that was. And so about 6 months ago, decided it was time to come home and work side by side with my dad. Working side by side has been very special. My
wife does the HR and safety for the company. She has an extensive legal background, 30 years in the legal business, so she's been a great asset to the company as well. We call ourselves Team Shean. As my daughter was growing up and going through her junior golf career, we were a very cohesive unit. The three of us traveled together, worked together, and we've taken those same dynamics and brought them into the Valley Pallet business. And surprisingly, we get along great and have a great understanding, know when to turn it on and turn it off, and so it's been a real blessing to have them here.
We were founded in 1987 by a gentleman named Larry Hackett, and he basically started this business out of the back of his pickup truck to serve the fresh produce industry and recycling pallets and some other things for the produce industry. And it's evolved from there, and we grew a lot in probably the mid to late 90s, and we've just been steadily growing ever since. We've just been very fortunate to be a part of the produce industry, and we've gotten into so many different things along the way, you know, beverage and you know, building products and anything you could think of. So it's sort of been a pretty organic evolution as far as the company goes, but it's been fun to be a part of.
It's rewarding to be able to put, you know, to do a good job and have customer satisfaction. We work very hard at that.
I think that the care that we take in this business, it really does set us apart. You know, we want to find solutions for the customer.
To be able to respond at a moment's notice, to take care of our customers in times of need, and so I think that sets us apart.
Viking has allowed us to be as efficient as we possibly can, and it's affected, you know, all of our plants like that. We run a Viking up in our Sacramento location, we run 2 in our Yuma, Arizona location, and we run a Champion down in Phoenix.
We bought our first Viking machine, probably 20 years ago, and they clearly put us in a level of competitiveness with you know, with a great machines. They are the best in the industry for building stringer pallets. My name is Frank Shean, and this is my legacy.